Hi there. Today we're going to look at deleting account sets. If you are not familiar with what an account set is, go to the link in the post for more information. CDM Plus has a quick way for you to select a list of accounts you want to use in reports. It is called account sets. These are easy to create, and sometimes you will get overloaded with old sets. In this tutorial, you're going to see how easy it is to remove those old account sets. We start by going up to our menus, go to Program, Accounting, Ledger, Account Sets. In this window, we're going to click on the Delete button, and here we'll get a list of our sets that we've created. We're going to get rid of some of our older sets. So we'll click on that, hold down the Command key for the Mac or the Windows key for Windows, and that will select those two, and then we'll click Delete. It'll come up, are you sure? We say yes, and now we close the Select Set window, and those sets are now deleted. That's it. It's that simple. We hope this quick tip helps. Look for more tips here soon.